Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok not updating. To know how to fix or solve TikTok not updating, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about the application of TikTok and you will enter. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll go to click storage. Here we click clear cache. We will find here clear data. Don't click here because that can make errors or problems on your app, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.